Hey guys, on this video, we're going to answer these questions. How do I connect my Facebook and Instagram to Go High Level? So let's go. First thing is log into your Go High Level account. Then once you're logged in, go to marketing section. On the marketing section, go to the social planner. And from the social planner, simply click settings. On the settings, click this one. You will see here, connect social. Simply connect social and connect your social media account. To connect your social media account, simply click the preferred social media accounts that you want to connect. For this demo, I'm going to connect Facebook. To do this, simply click connect Facebook. My pro tip to you, make sure that you are logged in with your personal account. Like this one, as you can see, I'm logged in with my personal account. Now, once you're logged in with your personal account, it's super easy. It says Joey as continuous Joey, continue, and it will ask you to log into your account. Now connect the social media account that you want to connect. It says one funnel, click add, and that's it. That's how easy it is. So I'm going to add for this demo purposes, I'm going to connect my personal account Cap Joey. Just add this one, and you will see there Cap Joey connected. Now you will see here Cap Joey. It's already connected. And if you want to delete this, simply delete this one. Click the icon delete, and that's it. And let's connect the Instagram. So to do this, just simply connect social, click connect Facebook, and there's also step-by-step guide here. So the first one, make sure that you are logged in with your Facebook account. And on your Facebook account, make sure that the Instagram is linked. It's very important that the Instagram is linked. So to do this, to make sure that everything is linked, let's go to my Facebook page. Let's go to the settings, type here Instagram. And once you type the Instagram, just link Instagram, Instagram connected to you find. So this is the Instagram that I have, and make sure it's connected. So very easy. Now that I'm sure that the Instagram is linked, the next step is select the Instagram business or creator profile to add a lead connector. So just click login Facebook. Again, it will ask you to switch to your Facebook account, personal account, and continue as Joey. And then it will ask you the social media accounts. And let's look for the ufind.ca and simply add this one. And that's it. So you already have the Instagram. All right. So that's how easy to connect our social media. And as a bonus, I'm going to show you how to connect TikTok. So to do that, simply click again the connect social, click TikTok, and then select if it's individual or business. I think my account is a business account. So click select. From here, since I already logged in with my TikTok account, simply add. And that's it. That's how easy to connect your TikTok account with social media. So my pro tip for you is make sure that before connecting your social media account, make sure that you already log in with your Facebook and to your TikTok or Instagram for easy connecting, go high level and social media account. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for your questions. And if you have any questions, clarifications about Go High Level, let me know in the comment section and I'm happy to answer those questions. See you in the next one.